Hello and welcome to another episode of Allstar Garage. This week we're bringing you the footage from Eastbourne on the 28th of December for the crash-in to cash-in meeting, or Christmas cash-in or something. As you can tell by my voice, I've got the influenza again because I've been ill for like 412 days of 365 days of 2024. It's now 2025, so we're starting off the year full up with disease and stuff. It's pretty rough. We're even on the antibiotics for the chest infection because I keep coughing like 5 million times an hour. So that's cool. I think I might have actually been Typhoid Mary in another life. Now, we didn't have the best luck, to be fair, at the meeting. Every race we didn't finish. I kept knocking wheels off left, right and centre. I think the first race we caught someone and broke a steering arm. In the second race someone got spun in front of me and I caught them, and it broke the 2 bolts that go through and hold the ball joint on for the hub on the outside front wheel. So that was great. So we didn't finish that one, and then we fixed that and then went back out in the final and into the first corner. There was a bit of a push and I just caught someone with the inside front wheel and it locked the wheel up around the brake caliper and locked the wheel solid. So that was great. So we've done 3 races, didn't actually finish any of them, didn't film anything in the pits because we didn't really get the time. We also had a misfire because I forgot that car that we raced has been on the bench for like 5 months. All right, Joey? And completely forgot about the fact we had a misfire in there last time we raced it. So we changed coil packs, we changed leads, we changed plugs, we took the top of the carb off, had a look at that. So I don't know. Probably have to go back through that and have a look at the loom, maybe take the loom apart and remake the loom in it because there's obviously a dodgy wire or something somewhere. I don't know. But anyway, this is what we did manage to catch from the few laps that we did do around Eastbourne. go. That was a small bit of footage that we managed to capture from Eastbourne. Obviously luck wasn't on our side to a degree, but the only bonus is that there was no points on races. It was 20 attendance points that go towards our 2025 points chart. And because I made it on the track and competed, I got the same amount of points as everyone else. So it doesn't really matter if you win or you come last or you knock a wheel off every race, you still get your 20 points. So on that side it's a bonus, but yeah, just luck wise, I don't know, I'll have to have a look into that car. Even if I strip that out now and build another car, that loom and everything that's in that, I'll probably rewire it just to make sure there's no brakes and wires causing that misfire. Don't really know, to be honest. Moving forwards, I didn't plan on doing any meetings in January because we've got to crack on with the lorry because that's due for test at the end of the month and needs a lot of love. However, now the Jag's come back, I'm toying with the idea of doing Heavy Metal Classic at Stanlake on Sunday coming, which I've managed to get a booking for, but that now depends on my illness, because obviously me and Nick aren't very well. If Bella now catches it and then she's at home really poorly, even if I'm a little bit better, I might stay at home and look after them and chip in because it's not very nice what we've had. But if miraculously we're all much better, then I'll probably fix the Jag and take that on Sunday just to smash it up at Stanlake in the rain and the cold. Nice. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you've had a good Christmas and New Year. See you soon.